Hello and welcome back. I am Shrujit Day and you're watching my YouTube channel Economatrix Day. Today we are going to study Class 8 Mathematics. So without wasting further time, let's start the class.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today we are going to study Class 8 Mathematics, and in Class 8 we are going to study today Chapter 14 Mensuration. Now before this we have done one part, okay, that is part 1, and this is part 2. So you must first watch the part 1 so that it will help you to understand part 2, okay. So now let's see what is the question in exercise 14.1. Question number 1, what it is telling? Question number 1, there are two parks A and B as shown below. So this is park A, this is park B, okay, and they have told here this is 30 meter, this is 75 meter. Here also same things, 30 meter, 75 meter, but the diagram here it is different and here it is different, okay. Now which park has greater area and by how much, okay. So how we will solve it? So obviously they are telling which park has greater area, that means we have to find out the area of this park and then I have to find out the area of park B, and after that only I can say which park has greater area, okay. So how to find out the area of park A? So let us solve. So answer, okay. So I am going to find out the area of park A. So area of park A. So this will be the heading here, clear? And then I am going to find out the area of park B also. So if I divide my copy into two parts, okay. So here I will find out area of park B. So like this way, clear or no? Now you see nicely, if you join this line, then it is looking like a rectangle, okay, and rectangle has what? This one is length and this one is breadth, and if you join here, so this portion is also looking like a rectangle, length, breadth, okay. So area of park A will be what? Area of park A will be area of the rectangle, area of rectangle, clear or no? Area of the rectangle, and here also area of park B, park B will be what? Area of rectangle, clear? That means this is the rectangle and here this one is the rectangle, but the diagram is this part is not there. Can you see nicely? So this part from the rectangle I have to remove it, okay. So how I can remove? Minus, okay. Now minus what? This is a semicircle, half circle. So I will write area of semicircle, semicircle, and if you see here, this part is included, this part is included. So which is included, I have to add it. So what I will do? Plus area of semicircle. So here I will subtract the area of semicircle, here I will add the area of semicircle, clear or no? So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth minus area of semicircle. Circle formula already I have told you, pi r square. So semicircle means half circle, will be half pi r square, half pi r square, clear now? Now here also same thing, okay, length into breadth plus half into pi r square. Clear? Now what we will do, we will put the values. Length is how much? Obviously 75, the big one, and breadth is how much? 30. Clear? Minus half. Pi value is 22 by 7. Okay. Now comes r, radius. Now see here, this is the semicircle. So this is the middle point. So this from here to here it is the diameter. From here to here it is what? It is the diameter. Then the radius will be this part will be radius. Okay. So actually this is looking like a rectangle. If this is breadth, then this side also it is breadth. If breadth is 30 meter, then this side also it is 30 meter. Then the radius will be what? Radius is what? Your diameter divided by 2. So diameter is how much? 30. So 30 divided by 2, 15. Clear or no? So we can write here 15 square. Clear? Now here also same thing. 75 into 30 plus half, 22 by 7 into 15 square. Understanding? Now if you cannot, you can write here how you are finding out the radius. Okay, diameter divided by 2, or you can do directly also. Okay. Now if I show you how you are finding out, d is equal to 30 centimeter, then r will be what? D by 2, that means 30 by 2. When you cut it, it becomes 15. Okay, 15 meter, not centimeter, it is told meter. So 15 meter. Clear? See, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 10, 2 5s are 10. So 15 meter. So I got the area here. Now only I have to do the calculation. So I will multiply 75 into 30. So let us multiply in the rough. So 75 into 30. So 0, 0. Then 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21, 22. Okay. Now 0, 5, 2, 2. So what you get? 2250. So 2250 minus. Now minus is what? You can cut this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are. So 11 by, you can write here 7 into, see 15 square is what? 225. 15 into 15, 225. If you don't know, you do it. Okay, 15 into 15. So what you get? 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Again 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry 2. So you are getting 225. So now next step, 2250 minus, now 11 into 225 we will multiply. Let us multiply here, 225 into 11. So 225 cross, again 225. So what you get? 5, 7, 4, 2. So what you get? 2475. Clear? Up to this much you have understood. Now 2250 minus, we will divide this one. Okay. So let us divide it. So if I want to divide, 2, 4, 7, 5, divide by 7. So first is 2. Will it go? No, it will not go. So now I will take 2 digits, 24. Now it will go. 7 3s are 21. So what you get? 3 remainder. Then 7 comes down. Now 7 5s are 35. Now 2 remainder. Okay. Now 5 comes down. Again it will go with what? 7 3s are 21 minus. Okay. So what you get? 4. Now I have to put point and here 0. Okay. So 40. So it will go with 7 5s are 35. So now what you get? 5. Again 0 we can put. So 7 7s are 49. So what you get here? 353.5 0.5, let me give the point nicely, 0.57. Okay, clear? So, we got it. Okay. Now, only the last thing we have to subtract these two. So, if I want to subtract, suppose let us do here 2250.00 and 353.57. So, one thing you have to remember, there will be below point, the point should be there. Okay. So, now you cannot subtract because the top numbers, okay, they are all smaller, okay, than the downside numbers. So, you have to borrow. So, you can borrow from here, cut it 4, 10, you can cut 9, again 10, you can cut 9 and it becomes 10. Now, you can subtract. So, 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, point will come here. Now, 9 minus 3, 6. Now, you cannot, okay. So, again you have to cut, make it 1 and here 14. So, 14 minus 5, 9. Now, you cannot subtract, again you have to borrow, it becomes 11. So, 11 minus 3, 8 and then 1. So, what you get here? 1896.43. Clear? Understood up to this much? Now, you see this part also will be same only. If I rub the rough work, okay, if I rub the rough work. Now, this part also will be same, only the difference is what? Here will be plus. So, I will just copy from here. So, what you get? 2250 plus, we will write this one, okay, 11 into 225, 11 into 225 divided by 7, clear or no? Because you are cutting here 2 ones are 2, 2 11s, okay. Now, next 2250 plus 2475, 2475 divided by 7, clear up to this much. Now, 2250 plus, so what you are getting? 353.57, 353.57. Understood up to this much? Now, we have to add, this was subtract, that was that I have to add. So, what we will do? 2250.00 and 353.57. So, we are going to add. So, for adding no need of borrowing, 5 7, then 3, then 10, 1 carry 6 and then. So, what you get? 2603.57. Up to this much, I think it is clearer to you, okay. And the unit will be what? Meter square, meter square. So, those who have not watched the previous part, you can watch it, okay. I have shared the link in the description below as well as in the I button, okay. Now, let us come back. What is the question? Which park has greater area? Now, by seeing, you can say which park has greater area? Obviously, park B. So, if I want to write, okay, let me rub this one, okay. Now, the last part, all the calculations are being done. So, the last part, what we will do? If I rub and I will write which park has greater area? Therefore, park B has greater area, okay, and it is by how much? They asked, by how much, and it is by, if we subtract these two, we will get the answer, clear. So, we will subtract it, okay. So, 2603.57 meter square minus this one 1896.43 meter square, and that we will keep it in bracket and then we will subtract. So, if we subtract it, then let us see how much it is coming. let me rub this rough also, and now we are going to subtract. Okay. So, let us do 2603.57 meter square. Okay. Okay, you don't need to write meter square, only you are write the numbers. Okay. 1896.43. Okay. Now we are going to subtract. So, 7 minus 3, how much comes? 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Point. Point below will be point. Let me highlight the point little darker so that you can see. Okay. Now you cannot subtract this part. So, what you will do? You will borrow. It becomes 5. This becomes 10. Then this becomes 9 and then 13. So, 13 minus 6, how much comes? 7. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay. See, 13 minus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, it will be 7. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Now, you cannot subtract. So, you have to borrow 1 here, 15. Now, 15 minus 8, you can subtract it. So, it will be 7. Okay. Clear? So, what it is? 707.14 meter square. Clear? So, I think you have understood the sum. Now, if you think that no, we will write more things, yes, you can write, okay, like area of the park, okay, the length was how much, the breadth was how much, that also you can write. Before writing the area of the park, you can write L is equal to 75 meter, B is equal to 30 meter, this also you can write, okay, this portion you can write, okay. If you don't write also, no problem, okay, because these are diagram sums. So, in the diagram only it is telling, okay, that length is 75 and breadth is 30 meter, okay. I hope this sum is very much clear to you all, okay. Only the thing you have to do is to practice again and again, okay. Then only you can do it in the exam. If it comes in the exam, you can do it very fast, very quickly, okay. So, those who have not watched the previous part, that is part 1, at the end of the video I have given the link. You can go there and you can watch it, okay. If you like my channel, then please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe it, and also press the all notification bell, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first, okay. So, thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling. Bye bye.